So this is a flash drive with the software to install it on a computer. We have our user manual. Basically, it's gonna explain what goes where, how to install it, etc. There's an envelope here. This is a license agreement. So this is the actual unit that you're ordering. Looking at pictures online, it looked a bit more plastic, I should say. This actually has some weight to it. It feels like one of those, mini portable PCs that you can get. I used to have a Nook that kind of weights about the same and has the same dimensions, so to speak. So the beauty about this box is this is a fairly small and compact unit, but it packs a lot of versatility in one piece. So we have 3 ports for SATA. We have 1 port for the USB device. We have power supply accessories. These are very interesting. It's the first time I've seen those. It's an adapter for PCI Express SSDs that converts it to SATA and allows the complex to work with it. For PCI Express devices, you do need the portable, and we get more and more of those units sent in without having ability to work on them. This was kind of like a no-brainer to get it because the devices are getting more and more affordable. Solid-state drives are becoming less and less reliable. They break more often, and having a tool that can support that is a great addition to the tool set. So this is the ultimate system. It comes with everything that currently can be purchased with this complex. This device has SSD add-on, it has a RAID add-on, it has all of the adapters from the lineup. This is the first adapter that I wanted to have a look at. I have never seen it before, so I'm quite interested in testing it on some of the problematic SSDs that we got at the shop. This is an adapter for parallel ATA. If you need to convert your device to parallel ATA, if you still get them, there it is. A USB 3 cable, that's to connect the portable unit to the machine that you're gonna install the software on. This portable unit actually has ability to work as a standalone without having a need to have a machine connected to it. Through the interface up here, you're able to select certain features, not all of them, but certain features. As far as I know, cloning shouldn't be a problem. You can clone one drive to another without having connecting it to PC. I have actually a few Apple SSDs that don't work to test this adapter with. I'm looking forward to that. Next adapter on the line is NGFF M.2, so this is regular SATA and NVMe as well. This is the adapter for mSATA SSDs for half size and full size. We've got a micro SATA adapter in here. We've got a USB cable. This USB cable is probably for the diagnostic port, and our terminal is right here. Terminal with the Pacific chip on it, so it's the terminal 3. So this is the cable that goes into the terminal, and these are the ribbon cables that you would then attach with help of vendor-specific adapters to your hard drive. And just as I got this device, I actually got an email from Ace Lab saying that this is a 1-year anniversary for Portable 3. And right now, if you buy this tool, you get 2 classes of training, which could be extremely helpful if you're new to this. During these times with COVID-19 pandemic happening, carrying a workstation home isn't something that I want to do, but having ability to carry a suitcase with literally everything that you would need to get the case finished, it's definitely a great benefit to have. I don't know if AceLab did this intentionally or not, but the other morning when I was getting ready to go back to the shop, I had to gather up all my things. My laptop was there. It's a 13-inch MacBook that I partitioned with Boot Camp and set up Windows 10 on it. I realized that this suitcase actually is a perfect fit for a 13-inch laptop. You got your MacBook here, and then the rest of the stuff is underneath it. My first impressions about the device. I had a number of NVMe SSDs that weren't working, that PC3000 utility supports translators for, and they're currently in process. These are the units that I couldn't solve before. These are the units that don't have any other tools on the market to get them done. So just for the sake of being able to handle cases like that, this tool is an absolute must have if you're expecting work of that caliber to come in. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you're new to this channel and if you're interested in data recovery and if you're thinking about getting started in this field, check out the description box as well, where I will drop a couple of useful links for you. Like this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.